Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can erase your Google Maps history. So let's get right into it. Now to erase your history on Google Maps, you can do so in a couple of different ways. I'll be covering the PC version, however, most of this applies to the mobile version as well. So the first thing you could do, you can clear your browser history. Of course, this possibly won't clear it on your mobile phone. However, you can also clear your activity on Google, and that's pretty much gonna wipe everything since Google Maps is tied to your Google account, so you don't really need to worry about that. Other than that, you can go to your search box and just click the X's next to the locations, and that's gonna just delete them from the search autofill. You can go into your recents and select whichever locations you would like, and then you can deselect all, or you can remove them through the X like this. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Now, to make sure that new locations aren't added into your history, even though you delete them like that, they might still be in your timeline, your activity. You want to go into your menu, go into your data and maps, scroll down until you see your timeline, and make sure your timeline is either paused or off, since this is what will keep it in your activity. If it's off, then you just need to delete them from the search. However, if it's on, make sure to delete your entire activity on Google, and you should be pretty much good to go from there. And it is literally as simple as that. Now, as I mentioned, most of this works on mobile, probably all of it. However, some of it might be implemented a bit differently. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.